Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I know it's been a while. I am super busy at work, and I'm going back to school full time, and so every waking moment that I have is either at work or doing homework. But I had signed up for the Crop and Create Delivered. So this is an online event. This is the first time they've offered this because of COVID and all of that and having to push out the events. I have signed up for the Create and Inspire, which was their event that was going to happen in Toronto with the Fab Five. And I'm so excited to go to Canada for the first time and all of that. And it's gotten postponed a couple of times. And now we have just found out it's going virtual. So I won't be going to Canada anytime soon. But I'm so excited that I get to be a part of this. I've always wanted to go to one of their events. These are put on by Scrapbook and Cards Today. So if you haven't heard of them, go check them out. I'll try to put some links down below. They're offering some upcoming virtual events as well. The registration's not open, but I would recommend you get on their Facebook page, you get on their email list, and try to get into one of these, because everything that I have heard about them and how awesome they are so far has been true. Catherine is just awesome. She goes above and beyond everything. This event's coming up the first weekend of November. I'm taking a day off work. It's over the weekend, but I'm still taking a day off to kind of recoup. But this is our box, and I thought it would be fun to kind of share it. So anybody that's like me, that's in the United States, that really hasn't had an opportunity to go be a part of their events, for you to understand what all we're getting, you can kind of see it, and then possibly get in on one of their virtual events this coming up year. So that is one good thing come out of it, that someone that can't travel and do all that can still be a part of their events. So I'm going to go through. We received this huge box. It was gorgeous. I was thinking about putting it up here so you could see all the, it's a pink box, guys, and there's just so much goodness. But there's just too much stuff. So I'm going to go through, show you everything. The way this is set up, we're going to have 4 classes. So these are the class kits for them, plus the extra goodies, plus the goodie bags that you would have received going to the event. So the instructors that are teaching is Vicki Booten, Nicole Nowased, Jeff Forster, and Virginia Nebel. So awesome talent coming our way in just a couple of weeks. These are all the sponsors that have been so generous to put stuff in our goodie bags and to offer some discounts and all of that. So there's a lot of fun coming our way. When you go, you always get goodies. So this is a local company to them in Canada. This just looks so yummy, and I can't wait to dig into it, but I'm going to wait for the event. I'm going to try to wait, but it's like goodie in a bag. They put all of our instructions in this gorgeous book, so I'm not going to show it, but it gives photos of the layouts and instructions and all of that, places for notes. Just above and beyond, guys. I'm telling you, this could have been a PDF that we had to download and print off, but nope. This is first class, guys. Okay, I know there's a lot of plastic, and I've got sticky notes already going here with glare, but I'm going to try to not make a lot of bag noise and get rid of the glare. So this is our goodie bag. So we got cute little sticker, Crop and Create delivered. So cool that I get to be one of the first to experience this. Okay, so layout of today, which I am a part of the Scrap Happy membership. There's a special little discount for us in there. Of course, I'm already a member, but super sweet. Okay, so let's go to the big stuff. We got some of these tri-blend markers, and we're actually going to do a little make and take and use these, learn how to use them. So I haven't ever used these before. I have Copics and all of that, so I'm super excited to try those and to learn more about them. We have a stamp set. This is from Hero Arts, I believe. Yeah, Hero Arts. So a block of 4 snowflakes, Christmas set. So they had different sets, so not everybody got the same set. We're getting a package of washi from American Crafts. Again, they put in different brands, or not different brands, but different lines of washi. This is from the Crepe Paper Heritage Collection, so super cute. I don't have it. Some foil, some deco foil, and there's supposed to be some instruction from the Company, so I can't wait for it. From Close to My Heart, which I used to be a consultant for, this is kind of their COVID-19 stamp set. So they gave everybody a stamp set. Love the font on this. The little houses. Just current events and the numbers. I just love this. I will use this if I ever stamp. We also got some glue from scrapbook.com, so I'm excited to use it. I just got some of their foam dots, and I love them. I'm going to start using their foam dots. This is an embellishment pack from Creative Memories, so it's just jam-packed full of some really, really cute embellishments. So Creative Memories has come a long way. But love those. And then this, which since I've never went to an event, I didn't know this, but evidently Catherine does a make and take with them each time with a necklace. And some people that had went before were saying they were missing out. So her and her family sat down one night and made 900 and some necklaces. Yeah, 900 and some. That's how many participants. And so I was stoked to see this. I love it. I'm definitely going to wear it. I would have already worn it, but I kept it in the box so I wouldn't forget to share it when I did a video. So that was kind of like our table goodies. I mean, guys, have you gone to a crop and gotten some table goodies that were things you wouldn't use, or I don't know. Okay, I won't go any further on that, but I was impressed. This is awesome, and I know it's thankful to Catherine plus all of the awesome sponsors that were on that card. Okay, so now I'm turning to side. Okay, so this is Vicky's class that we're going to do, which it is a mini album. This is my note for photo sizes, so you can ignore that. So for Vicky's class, we got the Snap album. Chipboard, nice 2-inch binder album. And then all of this goodness. So this is from Jen Hatfield, The Avenue. So I want you to look at how much we got. Some cut aparts. I'll try to get all of it in the screen here. Love this collection. We got some of this in the scrap room kit, and I cannot wait to play with it. Okay. Love the buffalo check, all of the tags, barnwood, acorns. See, it just keeps going, guys. So generous. And then some cardstock to make photo mats out of. So that was our paper. Then we got the Ephemera Pack. So this one is the phrase one. So I'll try to show. So I've got the full pack of that. We have the puffy stickers, the black and the white, and then the icon Ephemera Pack. Get that on the screen. Look at the gold foiling pieces. So this little mini album's all about our home and us, our family. Thickers and the gold and the white. We got so many thickers in our kits. It's awesome. So, okay, that's Vicky's class. I'm telling you guys, it just goes on and forever. This is Virginia Nebels, which her class is about killing a collection. So we're going to use every bit of this on layouts. And so it includes the full Happy Fall collection. And it has the sticker sheet in with it. We got the package of cardstock, the coordinating cardstock. So so I took it out of the package just for ease. So it has 6 sheets of double-sided cardstock in different colors. If you haven't ever seen these, this is awesome. And it coordinates perfectly with the collection. Then we got Puffy Phrase Thickers in the Rose Gold. So I'm going to use those. The Ephemera Pack of Frames and Tags. And Enamel Dots. So again, that class is going to be about killing all of this. So we're not going to have anything left when we're finished. So I'm so excited to do that. And it is 12 by 12 layouts. This class, I just cannot wait. The projects that she's done, which I'll share the projects after we do them. But it's just awesome. That's just all I'm going to say. So this class, we're actually doing some pocket page scrapbooking, which is it's just really cool. And then a full 12 by 12. So we got the page protectors. This is the paper that's in this collection, which I'm excited about because this kind of looks like our little Scotty dog. So this is Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story collection. And then we have some white cardstock. We got the chipboard embellishments. This paper here, that's for the black and white stripe. It's actually a Halloween paper, but we're using the black and white stripe. Then more thickers. I love this font. This is called Sorbet, and it's puffy stickers. I'm going to have to look and see if there's other colors. And then these pink kind of iridescent. And these are the puffy stickers as well. And then the package of embellishments. So there are like tons. It's kind of towards the planner stickers, but you can use these on layouts. And numbers. So all of that is for Jess Forster's class, which I am super excited. Oh, and tags. We're going to have all of these that we do the journaling on the tags and put in the pockets. Okay, so that's Jess's class. Then Nicole's class is using Paige Evans' new collection. I'll go through the paper. So this is Go the Scenic Route, just very Paige if you haven't seen it already, but it's just bright, and we're going to be using lots of little pieces. Lots and lots of paper, guys. And then cardstock. I've got like 4 sheets of white and a sheet of the aqua. That's the paper for that. And then the embellishments, we have more thickers. So we have this black with the silver. We have the Paige Evans puffy stickers that are the phrases. So I'm going to be using lots of those. And then the embellishments that are just the florals. And the ephemera pieces that's got more of the journaling type spots. Just gorgeous. So that is Nicole's class. Then, it just gets better, guys. Catherine, I guess for their events, they always include a collection. Oh, my stuff's falling off. They always include a bonus collection, and so we have layout instructions for this. We can of course do whatever we want to do. So this is the Crepe Paper Marigold collection. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to create with it. composed. So it's just very crepe paper. Love this paper. And then cardstock. It's a cardstock to go with it. So I think the backgrounds are all cardstock. I'm not sure. So that was it. More thickers, guys. The black puffy or the foam ones from Simple Stories. The gold puffy stickers. Which this was in some of the scrap room kits too. So I have some extras of it. The sticker book. So there's 6 sheets of stickers. Gorgeous. Look at all of those label stickers. Another alphabet. These are simply stunning. The floral ephemera, got gold foiling, and then gold foiling on the vellum. And then puffy stickers. Look at these. They're the ones that are kind of embossed. So that was a bonus collection. Then we have another bonus, which was, it's going to be our fun little make and take that we do. And so it's part of the Doodlebug collection. So we have these that are printed off. So we're going to color with these. So this is one of them that they're going to teach us how to color in here. And then Santa Claus Doodle Pop, which I would think since that's cut, we're probably using that side. So I would guess we're going to be making some cards. So that's one of our make and takes. And then lots and lots of extras. Heidi Swap's coming to do the opening event on Friday night, so I can't wait to listen to her. And lots of other little guest people popping in, doing classes, or not really classes, but just little bonus material that we can sit and listen to and learn from. So I'm so excited about this event. Like I said, I took an extra day off work so that I could kind of recoup and hopefully finish. I really want to actually scrapbook and finish all of this that weekend. We'll see how I do. But then I'll pop back in and I'll show you the finished projects and give you a wrap up of the awesome event. So this is Crop and Create delivered from Scrapbook and Cards Today. This is our class kit. So I will talk to you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.